Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Recently, I have seen in the Hindu newspaper that anti-suit injunction orders were given in a particular case by Honorable Justice V.Lakshminarayanan of Madras High Court. Since you have to know what is anti-suit injunction, the seniors know, but juniors may not be able to know. So therefore, I am making this video. Basically, remember, anti-suit injunction means you cannot file any suit in relation to this matter in any other part. Maybe in the country, maybe internationally. మాది ఇక్కడికి ఒక కేసు జరుగుతూ ఉంటే దీని మీద ఇంకొక చోట ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో సూటు వేయకూడదు అని యాంటీ సూట్ ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ అదర్వైజ్ కాల్డ్ మీకు సిపిసి వచ్చినప్పుడు అరెస్ట్ జ్యుడికేటా అనేటువంటి దాని సందర్భం వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్తాను. రైట్, ఈ మాట తెలుసుకోండి. కోర్టు ఇలా ఇవ్వవచ్చునా, ఎందుకు ఇచ్చింది అనేటువంటి తెలుసుకోవడం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే దీంట్లో 3 చోట్ల విల్ గో టు వాషింగ్టన్, విల్ గో టు సింగపూర్, అల్టిమేట్లీ విల్ ల్యాండ్ ఇన్ starting point is Chennai, and once again ending point will also be Chennai. 3 points. Wife and husband dispute, right? So please remember, the marriage took place in the year 2016, special 2013. Marriage between wife and, because we should not disclose the names. They were married in the year 2013 in Villuvakkam, Chennai. Not Villupuram, Villuvakkam, Chennai. Villuvakkam, Chennai. So marriage was under Social Marriage Act 1954. Right. After the marriage, they went to USA, stayed in Washington, that is Seattle, Washington State. Then she gave birth to the child in the year 2016. Right. As a part of the job, of course, very plum job. The husband, of course, as to the husband, the couple came to Singapore in the year 2023. But differences started in Washington itself. She filed a case of harassment. She wanted the divorce in Washington. They came to Singapore. Singapore, actually, husband got a doubt that she has got connection with another person. That is, she is indulging in adultery. So disputes definitely right from 2023 to 21 year. So situation was not good. So they were quarreling with each other. And in the year 2024, she filed a case of assault against the husband in Singapore. Right. So when things were like this, Singapore is close to India. So therefore, after coming to know that husband-wife filed a case of assault on him, the husband came to India. He filed a case of divorce basing on the grounds of adultery and made the adulterer as an OP, opposite party or defendant. And he filed the case in the family court in Chennai city. He filed the case of divorce, Section 13(1) of the Hindu Marriage Act, under Special Marriage Act. He filed the divorce petition on 4/9/2024 in Family Court, Chennai. Right? Actually, he wanted to get the restraint orders against her. He started this so-called anti-suit injunction. But before the court gave these orders, she went to San Francisco, SFO. From Singapore, she went to San Francisco. And please remember, she submitted, of course, regarding that Washington case, she wanted to get it transferred to San Francisco. Actually, if one day has passed, ఈ అమ్మాయి సింగపూర్ నుంచి వెళ్ళటానికి లేకుండా ఇంజక్షన్ ఆర్డర్ వచ్చింది. ఐ థింక్ తెలుసుకునే అమ్మాయి తన కొడుకుతో షీ వెంట్ టు శాన్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్కో. ఆ కేసు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయమని పెట్టింది. ఎనీవే, నౌ ద మ్యాటర్ ఈజ్ విత్ ద హైకోర్ట్. మా తనకి అక్కడ ఇతను యాంటీ సూట్ ఇంజెక్షన్ ఇస్తే ఒప్పుకోలేదు. ఫ్యామిలీ కోర్ట్ మాకు తెలియదు అన్నారు. ultimately he has pursued before the Honorable High Court. Right. ఈ హై కోర్ట్కి వచ్చినంత ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ there are 3 cases గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఒకటి వాషింగ్టన్ స్టేట్, సెకండ్ ఈజ్ సింగపూర్, థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ మెడ్రాస్. సో వీటిలో వేర్ jurisdiction, which is the better jurisdiction, this first has to be decided. So ultimately, Honorable High Court, V.Lakshminarayanan, he decided that Chennai is the best place because the marriage took place here. The witnesses are here. Most of the witnesses are here. So better to take up the case in family court, Chennai. And he has given anti-suit injunction for the cases of Singapore as well as the Washington. Why? For example, if the Washington court is satisfied and gives a decree of divorce, will it be accepted in Indian law? No, it's not allowed. Here, his contention, husband is wanting divorce, and he made adulterer as also one of the defendants. So, better to decide in Indian courts. Therefore, anti-suit injunction was given against the cases in Washington and also in Singapore. Now the matter is being tried. Then, దీనిలో లిబరాలిటీ చూడండి, జడ్జి గారు ఎలా చేశాడు. ఈవెన్ దో షీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ శాన్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్కో, షీ did not come to the family court in Chennai. Virtual hearing is allowed. Number 1, virtual hearing allowed. If at all she has to come to India, please remember, if at all she has to come to India, yes, the husband has to make arrangements for the business class flight charges to the wife and child, and also 5-star accommodation in India. Sometimes they may have to personally attend the court. Till such time, he has given the so-called, he has ordered for the, what is called maintenance of $28,000 Singapore dollars, 28,000 Singapore dollars to her. So all this was done as per Article 227 of the Constitution of India. So please remember, and the High Court directed the family court to dispose the case within 6 months, at least within 10 months, within 6 months they have to So please remember, what is anti-suit injunction? Anti-suit injunction means an order or a court order which prevents a party from continuing litigation in any other jurisdiction. Right? So 28,000 Singapore dollars to be paid as a monthly compensation, and also 10 lakhs Indian rupees cash for the litigation. ఈ కేసు మీకు ఒక్కసారి అర్థం కాదు కాబట్టి 2-3 సార్లు వీడియో చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ గొడవ వాషింగ్టన్లో వేసింది, సెకండ్ సింగపూర్లో వేసింది, మొగుడు భర్త చెన్నైలో వేసాడు. వీటిలో ఫోరం కన్వీనియన్స్ చెన్నై అని చెప్పి మిగతా దానికి యాంటీ సూట్ ఇంజెక్షన్ ఒకటి జరిగింది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ప్రాపర్లీ, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ ఆల్సో. First hear the video, see the video once or twice, understand. If not, I am there to explain you in the class itself. Thank you.